Well, we survived day 3.
We're alive, despite the
molded cork.
moldy cork, moldy wine.
So welcome to day 4.
We finished the wine, so we're still alive. We made it to day 4.
What do you think today is?
I said I thought it was going to be a...
White.
Yeah, you said white and I said white too. Because...
White screw top, white cork.
It's so disappointing.
Yeah, but you know what? Maybe that's the...
I think it's going to be a rosé.
Rosé?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Today.
Rosé today?
Rosé today.
Okay.
Okay, well let's open it up. See what it is.
Day 4.
Okay.
Right. Oh wait.
I was like, you're almost open to day whatever, 20.
Oh my gosh. We've got a lot of wines to go. Okay. Oh,
Is it a
it's
white?
a white.
Sheep station.
Interesting. New Zealand.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it goes with our reindeer. Let's see. It's a cute bottle.
Yeah. It's a shadow on it.
That's good.
Glasses.
Glasses. Okay.
All right. Day 4. It's a white. So if you're right about the red, white theme,
Tomorrow's a red.
I'm a little disappointed.
Mm.
I feel like the point of an advent calendar, obviously we don't know what wine we're going to be picking, but to be like surprised, be like, oh, it's an...
Right. I wouldn't want to like have, oh, tomorrow's going to be an odd day. I'm going to get a white or whatever.
Right, you're kind of predicting now that it's, unless they just said
Unless they're really trying to throw us off.
red, white,
And then
red,
mystery.
red, and mystery.
Yeah.
I guess you don't know. But
There's a ton of varietals of each, but
the theme is seeming like it's going to be
red, white, red, white.
red, white. So it was white, we were both right, and it's another cork.
Oh yeah, it is cork. It's got another cork. I will tell you that the one thing I don't care for
Is a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc.
Pretty much. I'm not a huge
Yeah.
Sauvignon Blanc person, but also sampling whites room temperature.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's
So I have 2 things going against me here. So we have to keep that in mind when scoring. Do you want me to do the honors again?
Sure. Yeah. Typical New Zealand style Sauvignon Blanc. I feel like when we've tried Sauvignon Blancs in the past, we've tended. We've tended. Okay, so when we've tried New Zealand Sauvignon Blancs in the past, we don't really like them. They're very grassy, very acidic.
Grapefruit.
Yeah, a lot of grapefruit. I think we tend to like a California Sauvignon Blanc better.
If I'm not really a Sauvignon Blanc person, but if I were to drink a Sauvignon Blanc, it's probably going to be California Sauvignon Blanc because...
Well, Sancerre is Sauvignon Blanc too.
Okay.
From the region.
Of Sancerre, just kidding. Somewhere in France.
No, I think it is, right?
I think it's the style.
Oh.
A lot of French wines are named after the region. Bordeaux, Champagne, but I don't know. I don't know where Sancerre is not from the region of Sancerre. I think it's just the style, maybe?
Maybe.
I don't know, I could be wrong. Okay.
Hey. Another moldy cork?
No. No, it's perfect.
Okay. Well, it's a white. I can see a red being moldy first.
Sheep Station Sauvignon Blanc, Marlborough, New Zealand. Marlborough. Like Marlboro Red? Is that where Marlboro cigarettes came from? New Zealand? Probably not.
I feel like people really like a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. I feel like it's trending lately. This is definitely like a summer wine.
This is probably the most popular New Zealand.
I would say so, yeah.
Okay. So, what are we smelling?
Ooh,
What?
wow, interesting. That's not what I was expecting to smell. Honeydew?
Yeah. I'd say like cantaloupe or
Yeah,
some kind of
that's-
like melon.
Stone fruit? Interesting. That's not what I was expecting. I totally
Apricot.
thought it was gonna, yeah, stone fruits. I totally thought it was gonna be grassy, acidic. It smells sweet.
Yeah, it smells like. But is that because it's warm, room
I
temperature?
don't know. Okay, it doesn't smell
I
as
do smell like grassy too a little bit.
interesting. This smells a lot like Rombauer Sauvignon Blanc to me,
Really?
which is California, which is interesting.
Yeah. Where that Rombauer is more of a, like their Sauvignon Blanc reminded me like more tropical fruit.
Yeah, tropical stone fruit. It's interesting. It's interesting. I will tell you, through the days that we've tried already, we're on day 4.
Mhm.
Each of these wines, I'm smelling something different that I've never smelled like in wines that we've had. And I feel even with the, like this, I've never smelled a Sauvignon Blanc like this.
Right. It's weird.
I think it's interesting.
Not weird. Interesting is the word. Cheers.
Definitely smell grass now.
Yeah.
But that first,
It was like definitely melon, fruit, or stone fruit.
cheers.
Cheers. Tasting grapefruit.
Yeah, acidic.
It's acidic, but I don't mind it, to be honest.
It doesn't taste how it smells.
Yeah,
It's more mellow, I think, than
yeah. It's not.
other Sauvignon Blancs we've had. What do we? What's that brand? What's that name of that wine?
Kim Crawford.
Kim Crawford. Yeah, that's very grapefruity, very acidic.
Mm.
There's another one I'm thinking of, but whatever. Interesting. Okay, I don't mind it.
It's toned down. Yeah, no.
It's toned down. It's not as
It's not an assertive citrus kick in the face where this is more like subtle. You can taste it, but I do smell the grass now.
I don't mind this.
I don't either.
I really thought I was not gonna like it.
But we do like Sancerre, so like to say that I don't like a Sauvignon Blanc or is, you know, I feel like there's the right time to drink a Sauvignon Blanc, and that's like where you're looking for crisp, refreshing,
Summer
seafood,
wine, cheese.
summer wine, yeah. So there is a time for it. That's
I think this would be really yummy cold.
yeah.
I think we're gonna chill.
So
maybe the
we're
rest
gonna
of it.
probably chill the rest of this bottle so that we can try it cold, and then we'll report back to you tomorrow. Which is kind of lame too. If they do keep doing the red white, I don't want to keep having to let you know tomorrow. Maybe I'll let you know in 3 days, or whenever the next time.
Yeah. No, I think this would taste really nice chilled. I think it's refreshing. It's a nice balance. I feel like it's very balanced. It's not sweet.
Yeah.
It's not. You don't taste all the stone fruit that you smell initially. It's not too grassy and it's not too citrusy.
Right. Oh. So this is a 2023.
Okay.
This Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand offers a wonderfully refreshing experience with vibrant aromas of passion fruit, grapefruit, and tropical notes. So I think we're right on with like the tropical, because you said it. On the palate, it is complemented by a zesty medley of citrus flavors, which I agree with, but it's not overly.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, it's not overly like punchy, where like.
I never thought passion fruit, but I guess it's a good
Yeah.
descriptor for it.
But I wonder how it's going to smell cold.
It smells grassier now.
Yeah, I know.
So the initial, like right when we opened it and poured it in the glass, was very
Yeah, very
apricot-y.
melon, tropical, apricot, and now I smell grass. Complemented by a zesty medley of citrus. So, I'm surprised. Sheep
I am
Station.
too. I like this.
Yeah. Very surprised.
Fish
Okay.
a fried fish taco with this.
Yeah.
This tastes similar to, we found this wine at Trader Joe's called Vino Verde. I guess it's a varietal,
I
right?
think I like this better than that.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The other one, the Vino Verde, I've never heard of it before we saw it at Trader Joe's, and then I have this wine book that that tells you about all the wine varietals, and I didn't even know it was a wine varietal.
Right.
And so I looked at it and read about it, but I really liked it because it was nice. It was citrusy. It was kind of like a Pinot Grigio, but it had a lot of citrus in it, so it wasn't as dry. It's a little more citrusy. This reminds me of it. You like this better?
I do.
Interesting.
Yeah. I do. I can think of like a nice fish taco with like mango salsa over the top, or like jalapeno mango salsa or something.
Yeah. Shrimp with a cabbage slaw, something.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Interesting. Okay. Well.
But even drinking it warm,
Yeah.
it's not actually, or room temperature. I keep saying warm, room temp. It's not horrible. Whereas like the day 2, I didn't care for day 2 drinking it warm. It was
Day 2 is just sweeter
yeah,
than
the
we
white
typically
sangria. Yeah.
go for.
So because this wine isn't like overly sweet, I think it's okay at room temp. That
This is the same tasting notes: grapefruit, passion fruit, citrus flavors, goat cheese, salad, sushi, chicken dishes, and seafood.
oh, I wonder if we would go
Shrimp.
good with that one goat cheese.
Probably.
We tried a new goat cheese the other day, which is like mind blowing.
It's kind of mind blowing. It was an aged goat cheese.
Aged goat cheese with like charcoal, like
Yeah.
charcoal throughout.
It was very interesting.
Yeah. It's really
I've
good.
never tasted anything.
We're gonna
like that.
find it.
It was
We'll
a
bring it.
firm goat cheese too. Like it was like
We're gonna find it and bring it out.
this would be good with that, and with like a charcuterie board, some cheese and crackers, something light,
Yeah.
summery,
Agreed.
really good.
I want to try cold though.
I do too. I was gonna pour a little more for myself, but
Go
I
ahead.
will. No. No.
Okay.
I can't even say medley.
No, very, very impressed actually. See, all it takes is like a little bit of sampling, and like
Yeah.
you might find that you might like something different. I was actually
Do we like Sauvignon Blancs?
maybe. Well, I like
Maybe we just haven't tried enough of them.
maybe.
We don't gravitate towards buying a Sauvignon Blanc when we're at the store. If we want a white wine, we go for a Pinot Grigio, Sancerre. We don't love Chardonnay
Yeah.
unless it's an oak Chardonnay.
But I stand to be corrected if this box
Yeah.
has a Chardonnay in it that wants to change my mind. Hopefully, we'll see. Maybe I'll be a Chardonnay drinker, but most Chardonnays to me are like either overly buttery or, you know, I don't know, maybe a crisp Chardonnay. Yeah, that'd be okay. I like crisp. I like something refreshing. If I'm drinking,
An oak Chardonnay, yeah, you'd like
yeah,
Marseille or
yeah.
whatever.
So very surprised with this one.
Me too.
Rating on this.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
7.5. You said 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
so.
I changed my score.
That was a fast 3, 2, 1 if I was doing it that way.
Okay.
Okay. Well.
3, 2, 1. Go ahead.
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1, 8.
Oh,
You didn't even say.
I already said 7.5. All right, so 7.5.
Okay.
So far, I like this one and day 1 the best.
Me too. Agreed. I like
These
the.
they're like hand in hand. I like obviously different wines, but I like them the best.
Agreed. Yeah, it's
Um,
good.
Sheep Station. What was the first one called? Something dog.
Dog.
I don't know. It had a dog on it.
I don't remember.
Okay. Well, we will revisit them.
I should be lining them all up.
Yeah, we will. At the very end, we're gonna
Yeah.
line them up. But
I like this. This is good.
yeah, it's tasty.
Yeah.
Very tasty. Yeah. So you said 8. I said 7.5. I'm impressed. Maybe I'll like it even better cold. It'll change my score a little bit. Maybe. I don't know. Just got a yawn. So
Might
yeah.
be
The
mold.
alcohol.
The mold.
The mold. Oh, we. Day 2 of mold. Toxicity. Tomorrow. I say tomorrow we're going to be red again. With a cork.
I have no objection to this anymore
Oh.
because it's like
Yeah, well. Prove us wrong, wine advent.
I'm gonna go with I'm hoping for a rosé. Just something different than a red or
I'm
a
just
white.
gonna say rosé every day until it's a rosé, if there's even a rosé in there.
Yeah, I guess.
Tomorrow's gonna be a rosé. That's my prediction. Okay, well Kendra's wrong for 3 days in a row. There's no rosés.
I'm dwindling down my chances. So like on day 23, I'm like, it's gonna be a rosé, and then maybe it will be a rosé. We haven't got there yet.
Possibly. So, well, see you tomorrow for day 5.
All right, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Thank you. We'll let you know what we think about our cold.
I like this room temperature, so I am convinced that I will like it cold.
I was gonna say
Even better.
I'll probably up my score tomorrow for this.
What did I say? 8.
8.
I stick by 8.
Okay.
7.8, 7.9, or 8. I don't want to make it so confusing that you have like
Yeah. No. 0.5.
Point-
No.
0.5 increments
Yeah.
because it's just gonna get.
I'm at 7.5. She's at 8. We'll see if it changes when it gets cold.
Yeah.
So, all right. See you
right.
tomorrow. Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye. Cheers. You have 1 splash left.
I know I drank it all. Clearly, I like it.